Imagine a home, pristine and inviting, where the air is as fresh as a daisy field, and every breath is a testament to cleanliness. This isn't a fantasy, but a reality brought to life by Lakeshore Restoration's odor removal service. The process begins with a comprehensive assessment, where the Lakeshore Restoration project manager pinpoints the root of the odorous issue and creates a plan to eliminate it. Whether it's a lingering scent from inside smoking for years, or the telltale aroma of family pets, no odor is too tough for their meticulous examination. Next, the restoration team springs into action, removing any and all sources of the offensive smell. Carpets and drapery, notorious for trapping and holding onto odors, are the first to go. They're replaced with fresh, clean counterparts that invite you to take off your shoes and indulge in their softness. Meanwhile, the walls and ceilings undergo a thorough washing to eliminate soot and nicotine traces that have settled in these surfaces for years. Yellow stains, the silent culprits behind many a foul smell, are vanquished, leaving behind surfaces as pure and spotless as the day they were painted. But Lakeshore Restoration doesn't stop there. They take it a step further with the application of odor counteractants, followed by a complete fogging of the house. This two-pronged approach ensures that even the most stubborn smells are utterly eradicated. The final step in the Lakeshore Restoration process is the installation of high-efficiency particulate air, or Hepa, air scrubbers and hydroxyl generator machines. These devices work in harmony to purify the air, creating an environment that is not only fresh-smelling, but healthier too. The transformation achieved by Lakeshore Restoration is nothing short of miraculous. From a home previously marred by unpleasant odors emerges a sanctuary that is clean, fresh, and inviting. It's an abode where every corner whispers of cleanliness, every breath is a sigh of relief, and the very air seems to sparkle with purity. Lakeshore Restoration does more than just remove odors. They restore homes to their original odor-free glory. They transform living spaces into havens of freshness, where every inhale is a testament to cleanliness. Because they believe that a clean, odor-free home isn't just a luxury, but a necessity. And they're committed to making that necessity a reality for every homeowner they serve. If you need professional odor removal services, look no further and call Lakeshore Restoration, LLC at 920-221-1440 for a free quote.